Hello friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. Today I am going to make Szechuan fingers. For that I have taken 3/4 cup of spring onion, white, normal onions. This is spring onion green, 1 cup of cabbage, 1 cup of carrot finely chopped, capsicum finely chopped. This is ginger, garlic and chili paste. This is ginger and garlic chopped finely. This is some corn flour, some sauces. This is tomato ketchup, soya sauce, chili sauce and Szechuan sauce. I have taken some maida also and 4 pieces of bread. With this we will make the breadcrumbs. I will take a grinding jar in which I will put the bread and powder this. You will get fine fresh breadcrumbs. This is the breadcrumbs I have powdered just now. This is fresh. I have taken a bowl. In this we will put all the vegetables. This is cabbage, finely chopped carrot, finely chopped capsicum, that also finely chopped. Putting some spring onion green, chili, garlic and ginger paste, putting the breadcrumbs, corn flour, adding 3 spoons now and 2 spoons of maida. Some salt as per taste. Mix it together. No need of adding any water, and we can make a dough. Chinese dishes are very easy to make, but the tedious task is chopping off the vegetables. If you have a chopper, this will be fine. I am going to add little more breadcrumbs. And this is corn flour and some maida. Corn flour and the breadcrumbs will give a good binding to the dough. So the dough is ready and we can make fingers of this. Let us take some dough and spread it in hand. Make finger like shape, rolls. Can make it of any size, small or big. So like this. If you want smaller size, you can do that also. Just see, the size depends on how big you need it. So like this, we'll make all the fingers. Friends, this is the fingers that I have made. I'll be keeping it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it gets set, and then we'll fry this. Now let us fry the fingers. This should be done in medium flame. Let us see how it is. Flip it and fry it until golden brown. Let us see how it is. Yeah, it has become golden brown. Let us take this out. See. Like this, we can make all the Schezwan fingers. These are the veg fingers that I have fried, and we'll do the next process. For that, I have taken a pan, poured some oil, let the oil become hot, put the ginger and garlic chopped. And saute for some time until the raw smell goes. Now we'll add the onion. This is our normal onion. Next we'll put the spring onion white. Now saute it nicely until the onions become tender or soft. Onions have become soft. Now let us add 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1½ tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. Mix it thoroughly well. Let us add little salt. Soya sauce has got salt, so you have to be very careful while adding salt. In this, we'll put all the veg fingers. And saute it nicely so that all the fingers are coated with the sauces. I'm going to add some chili flakes. And some oregano. That's it. Mix it thoroughly well so that all the sauces get coated on the veg fingers. Garnish with spring onion green. That's it. Our veg Szechuan fingers is ready. It's very yummy, very tasty. Please do try this, friends. As I said before also, the Chinese dishes are very easy to make, but only chopping. If you have a chopper, then everything will be fine. So the veg fingers are ready. I'm going to off the flame. Friends, this is the veg Szechuan fingers that I have made today. You can make chicken as well. Chicken you have to make mince and add to the dough, and along with that we can make the fingers. The rest of the process will remain the same. The vegetables can be added or you can reduce the quantity of vegetables. So that's it, friends. If you have liked my recipe, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll meet you with another video. Thank you.